Alright, sorry you guys didn't get to see much of that. I got the little ball put in there. The Healy coil was giving me some issues, so I had to take the camera and get it out of my way. But yeah, that's all in. It's got a ton of red Loctite in there, because I mean, that really never has to come out. So it's snugged in there with some red Loctite, and we're freaking good to go. Alright, I want to give a little update. I've been working, got the front of the motor off and the oil pan off. Freaking fought this. Had a broken bolt. I don't know if you'll be able to see. So here's the broken bolt. So rusty. Come on, focus. Come on. There we go. See, it was so rusty, it just broke off right at the beginning of the threads. I want to apologize. I really didn't record anything of taking the motor apart or putting it back together. It was very time consuming, and I was just trying to get it done. But anyways, the motor's all back together. The front timing cover's all sealed up. New valve cover, new oil pump, old O-rings, and the outer seal. Did the oil pan gasket. Valve cover. New fuel pump. Not new fuel pump. Fuel pump sealed up. Our next little task, though, we're taking all the emission stuff off of it. The EGR valve, so we have to block this off. We have to build a little plate, and then the EGR valve goes from here to here, so we have to block both of these off. I used the gaskets to draw them out on some plate. I'm gonna drill the holes, cut them out, and bolt them up. Got both EGR block off plates made. Put it in there. Ready to go. It's almost ready to go back together or go into the truck. I need to get a pilot bearing puller. Do the pilot bearing. And then once the pilot bearing is done, put the whole clutch assembly on and then drop it into the truck. Fired it up open header. Just wanted to make sure it would run. I can't hear anything with the motor, so I'm not gonna run it. I'm gonna do the exhaust next weekend. All my exhaust stuff should show up this week. Once we get the exhaust on there, then I'll fire it up, run it, make sure that it sounds good. Seems to sound fine, but I can't hear anything because of that open header.
Hi.
Bill sauce!
Bill.
I didn't really understand.
They're not going to understand. We're building an exhaust.
Building exhaust!
Yeah, see, there you go.
I don't like that.
You don't like it? Okay.
That's what we're gonna do.
I'm here to check under Cameron's hood.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, just stick your around.
Hey, got a puzzle. They're going like that. Freaking zip her up. We gotta cut the cake.
Wait, how are we gonna reattach that?
That blocks the flow.
No, but you need it.
No.
The government says so.
I don't care.
Okay. Tight fit.
Tis.
Yeah. Nice. I might have to cut some more off. Let's go up here. Whoa. Calm down, Billy. It's still too close.
Go like pretty much into the bend.
Yeah.
To get away from everything and get the right angle.
We're just gonna keep marking and cutting until we get it right.
What? Oh.
Got Cameron's art project here. Wait, let's take a look here. Let's investigate. Okay, yeah, that might pass.
Getting pretty hot.
Yeah, it was.
Got a little hole there.
Right after you stopped welding, it was still glowing pretty good.
Build that sucker up.
You got a little hole right there.
It's a little one.
There's a little one. I don't know if you can hear that, but someone's having fun. Go in there. Damn. Jeez.
Shift, buddy.
Oh wait, he's coming over. Not over here, but is he gonna pass by?
Definitely him.
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Where's the smoke cloud, or is that just your transmission spinning?
I've got the end of that one.
We'll find out if there's an exhaust leak. Oh, there it is. Ha! Just in a matter of minutes, you're gonna be redlining this thing, just tacking it out.
Just like those guys.
Just like those guys. Look at this sculpture.
I think that's everything.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Now I just gotta freaking put it back in.
And then put the exhaust clamp on. And then weld some hangers on it.
Yeah.
And once we do that, we're good.
It turned out pretty good.
Yeah, it did actually. Cleared the axle perfectly right there.
Yeah.
Camera just got done. Welded all in. Now he's hooking the battery up. You sure you can handle that?
No.
No? What do you need, officer?
In the truck.
Oh, well, get in the truck then. Here, let me get back there. Get in! No, I'm saying get in. I'll get back there.
I'm gonna have to really, I want to check the motor first.
Okie dokie.
I don't really care about the exhaust at the moment.
I thought you already started it before.
I couldn't hear the motor.
Huh?
Quiet.
It's quiet.
It's also cold.
Yeah. I don't hear nothing yet. kick or nothing.
Nothing.
That's the quietest 22R I've ever heard. Oh yeah, it's gonna burn off all that paint.
And I got some anti-seize on there too, so.
Oh yeah, that smells great.
Swing that door open.
Oh, that sounds so good. Oh man.
Let it warm up, then I'll rev it a bit.
Yeah. You happy with it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That runs so nice. Now it's cleanup time. We'll come back. What? Oh, you're gonna give it a little brat? Oh no! Wait, were you able to hear it up there?
Just wanted to double check this. It was smoking a ton. So.
Oh yeah, that's what mine did when I first put it on. Were you able to hear it back?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, go back there real quick.
Mini truck life.
Yeah, I didn't want to do it too much. I didn't know what you wanted. Oh, yeah. Oh man. Well, I guess now we just clean it up and take it for a rip, huh?
Not pretty much.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, well, Toyota, it's all done. I've been driving it back and forth to work for a few weeks. We drove it up to Zane's house to help him on the 3-link. Things just all reliable now, so I'll show you. It's running great. Has a little bit of hesitancy. I think it's from the stock carburetor. We gotta get that Weber on there eventually. Power steering's on. Full exhaust is on all the way back. It sounds great. It's got a nice tone to it. Freaking sounds good. But that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and look out for these next upcoming videos. We went and helped Zane on his 3-link. That should be coming out real soon. He's getting really close on that. Hopefully we'll be able to weld that up solid here soon, but you'll see more about that on Zane's video coming up. And well, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.